If you're on the hunt for the best table saws of 2024, you're in the right place. After testing countless models, we've narrowed down the top 5 table saws that truly stand out this year. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, finding the right table saw can make all the difference in your projects. We've considered factors like precision, durability, and ease of use to bring you the best options available. Remember, products are not listed in any specific order, so stick around until the end to catch all the details. And don't forget, all the purchase links are in the description. Let's begin. Now, let's talk about the DeWalt 10-inch table saw. This tool's been getting a lot of attention from both pros and DIY enthusiasts. And for good reason. Picture this. You're in the middle of a project, and you need a saw that's not just powerful, but also easy to move around. That's where this DeWalt really shines. The rolling stand makes it a breeze to set up and move, which is perfect if you're working on different job sites or just need to rearrange your workshop. One feature that really caught my eye is the rack and pinion fence system. It's super smooth and accurate, making adjustments a piece of cake, even if you're new to woodworking. And let's not forget about the 15-amp motor. This thing's got some serious power. It cuts through hardwoods and pressure-treated lumber like it's nothing. When it comes to the quality of cuts, this saw doesn't disappoint. You're getting clean, precise cuts that you'd expect from more expensive models. But like any tool, it's not perfect. It doesn't have the SawStop safety feature, which might be a deal breaker for some of you who put safety first. And while the dust collection is okay, it could be better, especially around the blade guard. Despite these small issues, I think the DeWalt 10-inch table saw offers great value for money. It's not just about promises. This tool delivers consistent performance. I really appreciate the little details, like storage for the push stick and cord. It keeps your workspace tidy and safe, which is always a plus in my book. One thing to keep in mind: if you work with larger sheets, 32.5-inch maximum RIP capacity might feel a bit tight, but for most projects, it's more than enough. Overall, if you're in the market for a reliable, portable, and powerful table saw, this DeWalt is definitely worth considering. It's not just about cutting wood. It's about making your woodworking projects easier and more enjoyable. Check out the link in the description for more details and see if it's the right fit for you. Let's dive into the Vever 10INCH 15-amp table saw. If your current saw isn't meeting your expectations, this might be the upgrade you need. The standout feature is its robust 15-amp motor, which revs up to 4,500 revolutions per minute. This powerhouse makes cutting through wood a breeze, whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned professional. One aspect that really impressed me is the adjustable cutting angles, ranging from -60 to 60 degrees. This flexibility is fantastic for those complex projects that require a bit of ingenuity. The full-length adjustable parallel fence is excellent for achieving straight cuts, but be aware that it can be a bit tricky. Some users have noted that it requires careful measurement to ensure accuracy. In terms of safety, Vever has done a commendable job. The saw includes a dust shield and a blade guard to protect your fingers. Additionally, it features overload protection, which automatically shuts off the saw if it overheats, a thoughtful addition for extended cutting sessions. The saw's compact and lightweight design is a major plus, making it easy to transport or store in your vehicle. However, assembling it can be challenging, particularly the stand, as the instructions rely heavily on pictures, which might leave you puzzled. When it comes to value, this saw offers a solid deal. It can tackle most woodworking tasks with ease. However, be aware that some customers have reported missing parts upon delivery. The silver lining is that Vever's customer service is responsive and efficient in resolving these issues. In summary, Vever Table Saw is a strong contender if you're seeking a powerful, adaptable, and portable tool. While it has its quirks, if you can navigate the assembly process, it could be a valuable addition to your workshop. For more details and to see if it's the right fit for you, check out the link in the description below. Let's take a closer look at the Works Portable Tabletop Saw. This compact tool grabbed my attention due to its impressive blend of mobility and functionality. If you've ever been frustrated by the hassle of transporting bulky equipment for your do-it-yourself tasks, this saw could be your solution. Weighing in at under 15 pounds, it's a breeze to move around your home workshop or take to various job sites. What really makes this saw stand out is its ability to handle both cross and RIP cuts with ease. Thanks to the steel rip fence and riving knife system, you get precise cuts without needing multiple tools for different jobs. Plus, the adjustable miter gauge is a great feature, allowing you to make angled cuts from 0 to 60 degrees, which is perfect for those challenging miter cuts. Safety is another area where Works has put in some thoughtful features. They've included a safety switch and key to prevent accidental starts, which is particularly useful if your workspace is busy or if you have kids around. However, it's not all perfect. Some users have noted that it tends to vibrate quite a bit during use, which can be frustrating if you're aiming for extremely precise cuts. Also, it's best suited for materials up to about 3/4 of an inch thick. So if you're working with thicker materials, you might find it somewhat limiting. Another minor issue is that the etched measurement guides can be difficult to read against the black table surface, so you might need to do some additional marking to ensure accuracy. Despite these drawbacks, when you consider the price, it's a solid option. It comes with a variety of accessories, including 5 blades for different materials. While it might not be the best choice for heavy-duty projects, it's a good pick for hobbyists who prioritize portability and ease of use. If you're interested in learning more, there's a link in the description with additional information. Let's dive into the Skill 10-inch worm drive table saw. If you've ever been frustrated by a saw that just can't handle tough materials, this might be the solution you're looking for, thanks to its worm drive gearing. This saw delivers impressive torque, making it a breeze to cut through hardwoods and even damp lumber. It's a game changer for those challenging tasks where other saws might falter. One standout feature is the precision rack and pinion fence system. If you've ever botched a cut due to a misaligned fence, you'll appreciate how effortlessly you can make quick, precise adjustments with this setup. Plus, comes with a rolling stand equipped with large 16-inch wheels, allowing you to easily move it around your workshop or transport it to job sites without straining yourself. The overall build quality of this saw is commendable, giving a sense of durability that's ideal for professionals or frequent users. While it may be on the pricier side, the value it offers is substantial. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The included miter gauge isn't the most reliable, so if you require highly accurate cuts, you might consider upgrading it. Additionally, stock blade is adequate for general use. If you're dealing with particularly hard materials, investing in a superior blade could be beneficial. In summary, if you're in the market for a robust and dependable table saw that can tackle a variety of tasks, Skill 10-inch worm drive is definitely worth considering. It combines power, precision, and portability in one package. For more details and to see if it's the right fit for your needs, check out the link in the description. Let's explore the Rockwell portable tabletop saw. After using it for some time, I must say, it's quite remarkable for its category. Imagine being in the middle of a project and needing a saw that can manage various cuts without a complex setup. That's where this Rockwell saw proves invaluable. One of its standout features is its portability. With a built-in handle, moving it around is effortless, and setting it up is quick. If you frequently switch between job sites or enjoy reorganizing your workspace, you'll find this feature particularly beneficial. The saw's versatility is another significant advantage. It can perform RIP, cross, scroll, and miter cuts. Plus, swapping the blade is tool-free, which is incredibly handy when transitioning between materials like wood, ceramic tile, plastic, aluminum, and even metal. However, it's not without its flaws. Some users have noted that making long rip cuts can be challenging. The blade may flex slightly, impacting precision. Additionally, miter gauge could be more stable. While these aren't deal breakers, they're worth considering. In terms of safety, Rockwell has done well. There's a safety switch to prevent accidental starts and a vacuum port to maintain a clean workspace. These features are particularly useful for those new to woodworking. It's worth mentioning that the newer model features a plastic deck instead of the original metal one. While this makes it lighter and more portable, some may question its durability. On the plus side, it includes onboard storage for accessories, which is quite convenient. This saw isn't meant to replace a full-size table saw for heavy-duty tasks. However, as a portable and versatile tool, it's quite solid. It's ideal for do-it-yourself projects or as an additional tool for professionals. If you're considering a tool like this, it's definitely worth a look. For more details, check out the link in the description.